Hello everyone. In my last video we have discussed about adaptation in plant, and today I will acquaint you all with another aspect of nature and another positive side of this lockdown. Yes, adaptation in animals. Can you hear the chirping of birds? No? Okay, wait for a few minutes, then you will. Yes, can you see some pigeons at my back eating grains? Your ma'am and these pigeons are the same? Certainly not. My forelimbs, see, are my hands, but their forelimbs are modified into wings, which help them to fly. And you know, the upward stroke and downward stroke of these birds, wings of these birds, are supported by strong flight muscles, which I don't have. And their bodies is streamlined to offer less resistance to air so that they can fly easily in the sky. And their body is covered with feathers. Their tail feathers help them to change the direction and act like a radar. Feathers provide them warmth and also help in flying. And they have hollow light bones called pneumatic bones, which makes their body light and help them to stay afloat in air. But I don't have light bones, and they have a strong eyesight to locate their foot on the ground even when they fly. Can you see this camel? This camel and the pigeon which you have seen are the same? Again, no, they cannot be. So let us see the adaptive features of camel. 2 rows of eyelashes. These eyelashes, we have 1 row of eyelashes and they have 2 rows of eyelashes to protect their eyes from sand. Their ears are covered with hair to protect the entry of sand inside the earlobes. Hump on its back. See the hump on its back. They store food and water in this hump so that if they don't get food, they can use these food and water. They have long, strong legs, thick patch of skin on knees. See, long, strong legs to keep their body away from the hot sand because sand gets heated very quickly. Their nostrils, these nostrils are covered with a fold of skin, again to prevent the entry of sand. Their kidney excrete urine with very less water to minimize the water loss. Now, see another beautiful creature of Mother Nature, mountain goat. Yes, goat on the high mountains. They are different from the goat found in plains. They have slender black horns to defend themselves. They have white fur for camouflage so that they can blend with the snow found on the mountains and easily hide themselves. They have 2 layers of fur to provide insulation. And this insulation keep them warm in the cold summers on the mountains. Their hoofs, this is the hoof. Their hoofs is provided with soft rubbery pads, foot pad, that act like a suction cup. And these mountain goats are sure-footed when they climb on the steep mountain. Yes, now another beautiful bird. But this bird is not flying in the sky, but in water. So their features are different from the pigeon. They have webbed feet that acts like oar. What is oars? You know, when you go for boating, they have a long stick with a broad end. That broad end propels the water back. That is oar. Their webbed feet act like oar. And they have broad beak. Yes, broad beak to filter the food from water. They have waterproof feathers that keep them warm. Yes, we are talking about aquatic adaptation and we will not talk about frog. This frog can live both on land and water. So this is the webbed feet which we were talking about in the water bird. See, they have toes and in between 2 toes they have a thin layer of skin that joins all the toes. And does this act as oar, propel the water back, and the pushed water again propel their body forward. In this way, frog also swim in water. We have lungs to breathe. No, frog has also lungs to breathe on land. But inside the water, Gas exchange of gases occurs through the moist skin. See these water bubbles. These bubbles shows that from their skin they are exchanging the gases. Means taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. They have long sticky tongue inside their mouth to catch the prey. Yes, all the animals found in different habitats have different adaptation. Isn't it amazing, boys? So now we are talking about aquatic habitat, aquatic animals, adaptation in aquatic animals. So how can we forget fish? Yes, see, the body of fish is broad in middle and tapering at the end. This is called a streamlined body to offer least resistance, same as that of bird. Their locomotory organ are fin. See, this is fin, this one is fin, even this one is fin. So this is dorsal fin that help in balancing the body inside the water. And this is pectoral fin and this is pelvic fin. These two fin helps in upward movement and downward movement. And tail fin act as radar to change the direction when they move inside the water. And whole body, see, whole body is covered with scale for protecting their body. And respiratory organ, their respiratory organ is gills present inside this heart cover. This heart cover is called gill cover or operculum, and inside this gill is present that help in exchange of gases, means taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Yes, hope you have enjoyed this video on adaptation in animals. And next topic will be circulatory system, a new chapter. Don't forget to click on the link given in your description below. Thank you.